Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Disney Plus error code 73 on your TV. So if you're experiencing this kind of problem, then this video is for you. So as we can see here, it says that we are having a problem, please exit the app and try again. And it says Disney Plus is only available in certain regions. Depending on where you are located, you may not be able to access Disney Plus. If you think you are seeing this message in error, contact Disney Plus support, or they call it error code 73. So, the best solution for this problem is to get a VPN, or should I say download a VPN app in the Play Store and then change your region to any available country out there. So, for example, I'll try to open my Disney Plus app and I'll inform you guys that I'm from Philippines. So if it works, then you should change your location in Philippines by using VPN so that you can enjoy watching in Disney Plus. So that's all.